What's up, guys? Nick here with Chip Studios. So, what's a logo? Right? Like, not many people ask this too often, but check it out. What do all of these logos have in common? You got it. The face. That's right. So, check it out. The Nike swoosh, the Coca-Cola word mark. There's different types of logos. Not everyone has to be just a word mark or just a logo or just an initial. An initial being, just like an F, for example, for the Facebook icon. Now, regardless of whatever type of logo mark you're working with, it's got to be able to perform on multiple surfaces, right? So whether it's an Instagram icon or it's, scaled up to a billboard, for instance. A good logo has to be simple. Not many elements added into the mix. You don't want to overwhelm the ingredients, right? That's just a rule of thumb that I use, when working in this process. Basically, what I do is I use one icon, no more than 2 fonts and 2 colors. So in this example, I'm using a font called Montserrat, which it's actually Montserrat Bold. So pretty popular typeface right now. There's many different personalities when it comes to a logo design, right? So when you're looking at, this pizza example, we're looking at the colors that are, sort of similar to the Italian flag, right? Now, when choosing fonts, it's very important part of the brand process, building a logo. It can be tough. It can be definitely challenging. There's a lot of different options. Logos can definitely look different with different font styles. For instance, serif fonts, slab serif fonts, script fonts like Instagram, for instance. So there's a few different options. And going back to the color options, like I said, you want to be intentional. Like fonts, colors have their own personality. So, for instance, red, it often gives off, an expression of energy, passion. Orange sort of gives off this idea of playfulness, excitement. Blue often, is reminiscent of health and happiness and harmony, and loyalty and respectability. That said, color combinations can definitely make for an awesome logo. And logos they're empty vessels that are just ready to be poured into. So, a brand in essence is, it's built over time. So what you're doing with a logo is you're building that vessel to pour yourself into. So think about it like that, when you're going through this process of creating your logo. Again, my name is Nick with Chip Studios. I hope this has been helpful. Stick around and check down below. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about this process. Chip Chug out.